today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a fall arrangement. On to the video. You're going to need a variety of flowers, berries, and the gold glass, I don't know what you call it, and a pumpkin vase. Now we're going to assemble it. I'm going to put this one on this side. Now turn the pumpkin so we can see it. Put it on that side instead. Now put this one on the other side so we can see that. And we're going to have the berries in the center. And then I'll put this in the back. Like that. I'll bring you around to show you. This is what it looks like when it's done. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave comments in the comment section below. It helps my numbers. Thank you for watching.